Guys, C2 and C3 here, and C3, which escalator in life are you on?
Man, I'm on the up with you. I'm going up with you.
You going up?
Yeah.
And how about you? Are you on the up escalator in life, or are you on the down escalator? Well, you know what? Check this out. I'm going to show you at the Cliff Freeman Group and EXP how we can take the up escalator, man, to the sky, and we're going to do it with Tony Robbins right now. Right, C3?
Right here, right now. Let's go.
Let's hit it,
show
baby.
them?
Let's go. Let's hit it. Come on.